Hello everybody. So today I want to talk about calculus. The topic that is about integration. So now I want to show you how to answer. We need to do about factorization by cosine x squared, and we have like this. Because cosine x squared multiplied by this one, they will return back to this one. Next, cosine x squared to the power of 3 over 2 if we put outside. And this one we have cosine x to the power of 3, because number 2 multiplied by 3 over 2, we have number 3. Next, cosine x divided by cosine x to the power of 3, we have 1 over cosine x squared. Next, we have the formula in here. Sin x over cosine x, that is about tan x. 1 over cosine x, that is about secant of x. So this one we change by secant of x squared. This one we change by tan x squared. Now we can use about integration by substitution. So I will put about u equals to tan x. Later that we need to do first the derivative for the both sides, and we have du equal to secant of x squared dx. Next, we need to change the bounds. When x equals to number 0, so we put number 0 cone here, and then we have u equals to number 0. When x equals to b over 2, so we put b over 2 cone here. We have u go to positive infinity. This one we change by u. Secant of x dx we change by du. So number 0 we keep the same. B over 2 we change by positive infinity. Next, we can put about the limit. 8 approach to positive infinity. So we have the integration from 0 to 8. Next, we can use about integration by trigonometric substitution. So I will put about u equal to number 2 tan t. And later that we put this one gone here. So we have number 4 tan t squared. Number 4. We can do about factorization. Tan t squared plus 1 we change by secant of t squared, and later that we simplify by du. Du we have 2 secant of t squared dt. And now we need to change the bounds. When u equals to number 0, t equal to number 0. When u equals to 8, so t equals to octane of 8 over 2. So the first thing, we need to divide both sides by number 2, so we have u over 2. And later that we use about the octane, and we change u into 8. Number 0, we keep the same 8, we change by this one. U square, we change by this one. Du, we change by this one. So this one we have 4 tan t square. Number 4 and number 4 we can do about factorization. So this one we change by secant of t square. This one we have number 8 secant of t to the power of 3. Next, we simplify this one and we have 1 over 4 secant of t dt. So we know that secant of t that is about 1 over cosine t. This one we have cosine t over number 4. The integration of cosine t, we have 1 over 4 sine t, and we put the bounds from 0 to octane of 8 over 2. So we put this one go for t and number 0 go for t, and now we have like this. So we put number 0 gone here, and this one gone here. So when I approach to positive infinity, octane of positive infinity, we have b over 2. Now we calculate this one, and we have 1 over 4. This is the end. Thank you for watching.